Here's how to use Seal Spray Foam Gap and Crack Filler. Here's what you'll need. Eye protection, adhesive repellent gloves, respirator in some cases, professional gun applicator. For overhead applications, use our special angled gun foam cleaner or other acetone spray. And here's how to use it. Clean all application surfaces. Moisten surfaces to ensure best results. Shake the can vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. Connect the spray gun like this. Make sure the can is firmly connected to the gun. Open the control knob, turn the can upside down, and apply in a continuous spray. Make sure to only fill 50% of desired volume to give foam room to expand. Wipe the gun tip after each application. When applying foam in layers, make sure to moisten the previous layer before applying a new one. When you are finished spraying, clean any excess uncured foam with gun foam cleaner or acetone. And that's it. You're done. The insulation gap filler that forms a permanent vapor and moisture barrier in a wide range of temperatures, even down to 5 degrees. Seal Spray Foam Gap and Crack Filler. Just another smart solution from the Seal Spray Foam family of products that helps you seal the deal.